Good morning. Welcome to the kitchen, guys. Look, we're going to take these green tomatoes. Y'all have all been telling me to try them because I normally slice mine to make fried green tomatoes, but y'all been telling me to try them with the chunks. So today, we're going to do chunky fried green tomatoes. They're just about getting a little too old. They have a touch of pinkness to them. Cut that core out because of the way the tomato's made. It doesn't cut off real well. Okay, so we're just going to chunk him up. I hope I like him in chunks. Okay, so we got him chunked up. Now let's fix his marinade. Okay guys, our marinade's gonna be really simple. We're gonna have an egg, milk, and some salt, so that the salt will get up in the tomatoes, guys. Now, if you don't have time to marinate them, that's fine. I'm just doing this because we do have time. We're waiting on our milk to get ready to cook. So we're just gonna let these marinate in this milk and egg and a little bit of salt, okay? Okay guys, we're back over here to our tomatoes. I've got 1/2 cup of meal and about 1/4 cup of flour in here, and I'm lightly salting it. Make sure it's well incorporated. Then we're going to put our tomatoes over there. They can sit in the meal and flour a little while, and it'll soak up a little bit of that, or get some of that good crust on them. I tried these just for y'all, the ones that kept saying, well, try them without cutting them flat. So that's what we're doing today. We'll have them in our flour and meal. Okay, that's what it looks like. Before I fry them, before I put them in the fry them, I will shake it up again. Okay guys, now we're putting on our tomato, fried in chunks like y'all said. Tell me what y'all are having for lunch today. Okay, that's all we're going to put right now when we're cooking. And I have my strainer right there to take it up on. Okay guys, it is done. See how pretty and brown? And this is just 2 tomatoes. That's all I bought this time, was just 2 green tomatoes. I can't wait till we start having tomatoes in our garden if we ever get it planted. But we'll be back when we get it all done, okay?